Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called SpotiCash 2.0, which is a revolutionary new app that pays you to stream your favorite music and get paid in real cash. Now you can stream various music on the app and get paid cash daily. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free bonuses worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to get instant access to it, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hi there and welcome. So today we are going to discuss about SpotiCash. So SpotiCash is basically a platform that helps you earn when streaming music. Now how can we do that? There are different platforms that will pay you to upload music lyrics. Now the hard part is to actually type the lyrics itself. But with SpotiCash, you just upload the music and have the lyrics ready for you in a click. SpotiCash is not limited to music lyrics only. You can also earn through other transcription tasks through other platforms. So now let's log in to our account. So this is the interface of our SpotiCash account. So you can see here on the left an option for platform. So you click on it, and it will lead you to a list of platforms that you can discover. And now let's discuss each of these platforms. So the first one is Transcribe Me. So Transcribe Me pays $15 to $22 per audio hour via PayPal. This is perfect for newbies since it doesn't require previous experience. Next we have GMR Transcription. GMR Transcription pays 70 cents to $1.25 per audio minute via PayPal or bank transfer. They don't require previous experience as well, as long as you are a US-based applicant. Next is GoTranscript. GoTranscript pays 60 cents per audio minute via PayPal or Pioneer. They accept applicants all over the world and don't require previous experience as well. And last but not the least is Rev on Rev.com. So Rev pays 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. Rev is actually a big network software and has catered to thousands of freelancers. So these are just few of the many platforms that pay you to transcribe. So once you have chosen the platform that you like, you sign up to it and SpotiCash will be able to assist you. So you might be wondering, how will SpotiCash be able to assist you? So going back to your SpotiCash interface, you can see here a speech-to-text option. You have two options here, which is record and transcribe and upload and transcribe. So you just click on upload and transcribe, and then you just fill this up. So first is you can drag and drop your audio file here, or you can also browse it in your computer. And then next is you can choose the audio file language. As you can see, we have options here. And the next is if you will enable or disable the speaker identification. And next is you choose the number of speakers, 2, 3, 4, or 5 people. And lastly, you create your project name. So once you have filled all this up, you click on Transcribe. So once you click Transcribe, it will be very easy for you to keep uploading transcripts to the pay to transcribe platform that you have chosen. So that's it, and let's keep earning.